Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Now, Christmas over and New Year's just around the corner. You're going to need something for this party you guess you have coming. And I suggest a good corned beef dip. Now, this is made from canned corned beef, not corned beef that you sit there and brine for days and cook out slow in the oven. So let's get to it. So I got 1 can of corned beef. Take a fork, flaked it up. Then we got 2 cups of mayonnaise. Get that in there nice. 2 cups sour cream. About a tablespoon of fresh dill. 1/4 cup diced onion. Good heavy tablespoon of dried parsley. About so. Now this used to be called Bon Appetit. Now the McCormick Seasoning Company used to make this several years ago, and I only use it for one recipe. They quit making it, but they were kind enough to put the recipe out online for everybody. So it's equal parts white sugar, celery salt, and onion powder. Now we're not going to use all this, it's way too salty. We're going to do a couple good heavy pinches to start and season as we go to taste. Now let's get this mixed up. Alright, so I got our dip mixed up. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, it definitely needs more Bon Appetit in there. So do a couple more good pinches here. Now, personally, when I saw the recipe, I was surprised there was sugar in it because it's not a sweet seasoning at all. But it is some kind of goodness. And it should almost have it's a salty dip, and that's between the corned beef and the Bon Appetit. But you need it to cut through that richness when you get sour cream and that mayonnaise. So we'll give this another good mix up. And it's always better next day, at least 3 or 4 hours sitting in the fridge. So make this in the morning. By that evening, get you some vegetables, some crackers. They'll set up and thicken. And it's pretty good. Alright, pour our corned beef dip out of the fridge. It's been sitting for a few hours. Let all those flavors meld together real well. Let's give it a taste. I'll tell you what, you give me some cherry tomatoes or some Ritz crackers, I'll be one happy Uncle Bud, that's for sure. Alright guys, thanks for joining us today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down in the corner so you know we got new videos coming out. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You have a happy new year.